How to add a new page in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a new page in Canva. It's super simple and works with any type of project you are working on. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the web browser and head over to canva.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. And here, once you are inside the Canva, simply open your design. And once your design is open, you notice there are a couple ways of adding a new page. The first way is by clicking the plus add page button located at the bottom of your design. And just like that, it adds a new page below the one you are on. Alternatively, in the top right corner of the editor, you will also see an option to duplicate or add a new page. So clicking that will create another page above or below depending on where you are working. You can also rename your pages and add titles to keep your design organized if you are working with multiple sections. And that's it. That's how you can quickly and easily add new pages on any Canva project. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.